Hey everyone, in this video I want to talk to you about a very important part of your skimmer that is missing in a lot of people's pools and they don't realize it. So what this is your skimmer down here has a door, and this door is going to look like this right here. This is called a weir door. It is super important that you have a weir door. Now I found in this new customer's pool, this was what was left of the weir door. So I'm going to sit this beside it right here. You can see a brand new one and you can see the old one. So why these are so valuable is that when the actual pool shuts off, anything in here more than likely is going to go back into the pool. And that's because this door, this weir door, is not there. So we're going to be installing it, and this one is one of the most common skimmer baskets. If you have a skimmer basket like this minus this part, then you're going to need this particular weir door, and then I'll have a link in the description like always. But it's going to be pretty simple, and how it works once again is there is a piece of foam right here. And so when we put this in here, what's going to happen is once the pool shuts off, the foam is going to just float. It's going to make the door float and it's going to close it. So I'm going to install it. It's really simple. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And if you get any value out of this video, please hit the like button. Okay, so now we are going to install the weir door. You're going to have the weir door facing this part, facing the pool. We're just going to push it down here, and we're just going to... All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.